Welcome. In this video, we'll walk you through the process of defining a tag policy and managing tag values. To define a tag policy, start by going to the configuration panel and selecting your cloud hyperscaler. Click on Add Tag Policy, enter the required information, and click Save. Next, click Add Policy Details to specify the service name and tag name. You can also add custom values and names. The same steps apply to creating a global level policy. The created policies will be visible in the dashboard. Next, add tag values to the created policies. Click on Add Tag Values. Then add and enter each tag value individually, clicking Save after each entry. Use the Edit and Delete options to modify values as needed. Finally, click on Virtual Tag to view the defined tag values and their non-compliance percentages. Click the Action button to virtually sanitize tags based on the resource list. Click Save and Preview to finalize. The preview page will show reduced non-compliance after resource sanitization. An automated tagging script is available for download to sanitize your cloud environment. Thank you for watching.